children, have a great day. Now we are going to see about family. Let's start. We saw many birds and animals living in the jungle. Yes, I can't express my experience in words. It was wonder to see animals living as a family. Do the animals living in a families like us? Yes, it's true. Where do lions live? Very simple. Lions live in jungle. Correct, but lions live together as a family in caves. Where do birds live? Birds live in the nest, built on trees or in a high places. Let us know about our families. Our family. What is family? Parents, grandparents and their children live together in a family. Yes, how to form a family? First one is individual. Individuals together make a family. Who are in a individual? Parents, father, mother, that's all. So together make a family. Who are in a families? Parents, grandparents and their children. So families together make a society. So two or more families together make a society. So individual, family and society. Next one, there is in a different types of families here. So people with diversity in language, culture and habits live all over the world in families. See the picture. So first one is Indian family and next one is Mexican and next Chinese, African, Scottish, Russian, Japanese, Arab families. And next one relations. There is in a two types of relations here. First one is maternal relations and second one is paternal relations. What is meant by maternal relations? People who are related through our mother are called maternal relations. For example, in your mother's parents and mother's brother and sisters, just like that, so are related through our mother. Okay, and second one is paternal relations. People who are related through our father are called paternal relations. For example, in your father's parents and brother and sisters, so and next one, types of families. There is in a three types of families here. First one, small family and large family and then joint family. We see the first one, small family. Father, mother and their children are seen. This type of family is called a small family or nuclear family. And in the second picture, along with father, mother and children, we can see other family members too. This type of family is called a large family or extended family. The family in picture 3 is very big. 2 or 3 generations live together. This type of family is called a joint family. So there are in a 3 types of families. First one is a small family and large family and last one is a joint family. And next one is special values of the family. It is very important. Which one is fulfill our basic needs? Yes, it's family. A family fulfill our basic needs like food, dress and shelter. Yes, it's like a beginning school for a development of a physical, mental and moral growth of a person. There are several values here. First one is affection. What is mean by affection? A feeling of loving and liking something or somebody. Yes. And second one is respect. What is mean by respect? Polite behavior with others. Yes, we should all treat older people with Next respect. Next one is protection. Protection means is a person or thing that shield from danger, pain or discomfort or money. And the last one is sharing. Sharing equal with other or another persons with their family members. And next one is unity of the family. Is basic unit of the society is family. Let's see. It is a good to work together than to do it alone. This way workload will be reduced and relations will be strengthened. This will help with the unity of the family. Next one is our relations. Apart from our family members, distant relations too come to our house. All the members meet during family festivals. Yes, when they come to our house, we should welcome them. We should talk with them and help them with their needs. This is a way to respect them. It is called hospitality. So, hospitality towards guest is the best value among Tamilians. This strengthens our relationship. Next one is outsiders. What is mean by outsiders? Who are the outsiders? Yes, milkman, vegetable seller, cylinder supplies like that. Yes, apart from our relations, other people come to our house. We must behave properly with them. Neighbors. Who are the neighbors? Many families live near our home. Yes, we call them neighbors. It is good to keep relations with them. When needed, we must help each other. This value ensures our safety. And the last one is budget of the family. First, before buying any object, have you ever thought of its necessity? Yes, budget of the family it's a very important for economical security. Income and expenditure is important for any family. We must spend according to our income. Basic needs should be fulfilled first. We must act according to the budget system only. And the simplicity is the best policy to be economical in our life. So the last one is a family help us to feel safe and secure. So family is very important for every person. Thank you.